Welcome back. Animal husbandry government job seekers are up in arms against government's move of scrapping their posts. They have threatened of indefinite hunger strike from Monday at Azad Maidan in Panji. Locals from Ponda, including former MLA of Ponda Ravi Naik, have backed their protest.
Animal husbandry workers who were inducted during assembly election are annoyed with the CM's decision to scrap the post. They briefed media in Ponda on Sunday. They have planned a chain hunger strike till CM resolves the issue. Some of the activists from Ponda along with former Ponda MLA Ravi Naik have supported the youth.
त्यांची उत्पन्न किती आहे घरात आणि ते केन डेली त्यांना पणजी आपयता मध्ये पणजी आपयता मध्ये त्यांना पणजी वयची पडटा त्यांना पावटी घालची पडटा ते पैसे खंयचे भरचे पडले बसीक सगळे हे विचार जेन्ना खरे मनशाक विचार आसा ते केन्नाच अशे परी विचार हे करिना आणि अशे त्यांची पोटार आड येवपाचे कोणूच प्रयत्न करिना.
मनोहर परिकरान येयल्ले दिसा पावटी घालून आयल्या आयज यो 15 दिसांनी यो फाल्यां यो आनी केन्ना मागीर सांगता 20 दिसांनी यो अशी कितलीच त्यांची फसवणूक केल्ली आसा. आणि हे जे लोक आसा ते गरीब लोक आसा गरीब घराण्यांतले लोक आसा आणि हे लोकांक खरेंच ही नोकरेची ही गरज आसा.
तुमचे सदांच फाटल्यान आसतले हेज्या फुडें जर मोठे हेज्या उपोशण जर करून सुद्दां तुमकां तो न्याय दिना जाल्यार आख्खें गोंय बंद करचें पडलें सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार उबे रावन गाडयो हाडून फोडतोड करून सुद्दां आमचो हक घेतले शिवाय आमी रावतले अशें तुमी करात आनी अशेंच तुमी फुडें चलात तुमच्या वांगडा सदांच आसतलें.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Now a look at the other events in Bardes Taluka.
Bodgeshwar Devasthan has donated 1,40,000 to the needy people of Mapsa city. President of Bodgeshwar Devasthan Subhash Narvikar informed media on Saturday. He also said that the multi-purpose hall of the temple will be renovated and will be fully air-conditioned soon.
आम्ही जवळ 1,40,000 रुपया म्हापशांचेच तशें म्हापशेच्या भायले जे गरजवंत आसा अशा लोकांक वांटल्या. हितून चडशी मदत जी केल्या ती जे भुरगे पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन करतात प्रोफेशनल कोर्सीस करता अशा भुरग्यांक सादारण आमी 10,000 रुपया दिल्यात. जांकां मेडिकल एक्सपेंडिचर म्हणजे सिरियस इलनस आसा किंवा ज्यांचे इलनस आयुष्यभर तांकां घेवन वयचें पडटा अशा लोकांक सादारण 10,000 रुपया. आनी जे लोकांची घरां नॅचरल कॅलॅमिटीन पावसान मोडल्यात किंवा भेगा गेल्या अशा लोकांक 5,000.
Outgoing Havaldar Ramesh Sheth was felicitated by the Kalangut PI Nolasco Raposo. Sheth shared his experience.
आता कमीत कमी 4 वर्सां काम केलें अप एंड डावन खूब त्रास जाले येवपा वचपाक तरी बरें केलें आनी तुमकां नॉलास्को साहेब म्हाका हांगा खूब ऑफिसर मेळ्ळे बरें ट्रिटमेंट दिलें DYSP SP.
A reporter from Bardes, Sham Sundar Fatte.
Now news from sports. Coach Vivek Kolambkar is all in favour of a full Goan squad for the upcoming Moid-ud-Daulah trophy and possibly for the Ranji season later in November. The trio of Asghar Pasha, Moid-ud-Daulah and Joe Chaya have not been consistent performers, and Vivek Kolambkar has left it up to the managing and selection committees to decide the fate of professional quota players. But Vivek is not impressed with them. Meanwhile, Goa will take on a potent Delhi squad in the quarter-final of the Moid-ud-Daulah led by IPL star Shikhar Dhawan.
How has the performance of your outstation players been? Moid-ud-Daulah, Asghar Pasha and Joe Chaya. How are these three players been in? Which are the ones you want to sign?
Yeah, Asghar Pasha is already out of the team because of his injury, and even though he played one match initially, he did perform to our liking. So he is already out of the team, and Joe Chaya and Mohsin also performed in patches. So the decision is up to the selectors and the managing committee to decide, to take a call on them.
Okay. Personally, as a coach, are you happy with? Will you be sort of bolstered with the addition of these two players because you are looking for an opener? Mohsin is that opener?
Yeah, absolutely. We're looking for an opener, but now most probably we might take another two professionals. I mean, just for the trials. And very much happy because our own guys, Goan boys, are performing really well. They are gelling together. Because they have too many sessions together, and even in the match simulation, every session they are taking seriously.
Okay.
This is the best side for our cricket, actually.
Okay. So, are you seriously thinking of these two outstations then? In that case, if Goans are performing very well, you might not even need them. But are you still considering getting them in for trials then?
So finally, it's a call of selectors and the managing committee what they think. But as far as the Goans are concerned, I'm very much happy because even Harshad Gadekar, who has come out of the injury, is bowling really well.
Okay.
So Harshad, Saurabh, they are really bowling well. Even the Sagar Naik, the under-19 guy, he has also performed well.
Goa will take on the likes of IPL and India batsman Shikhar Dhawan along with under-19 World Cup winning skipper Unmukh Chand when they take on Delhi in the quarters of the Moid-ud-Daulah trophy.
The team has been selected for Moid-ud-Daulah, and our preparation has already been started for that tournament because it's a 3-day format, but 90-90 and 45-45 overs each.
Moid-ud-Daulah is a three-day tournament.
3-day tournament, but limited overs.
And
we are playing first match against Delhi. So, the first match we are playing is quarterfinals, then semis and finals. Tournament is from 6 to 16.
So Goa raring for Moid-ud-Daulah, trying to replicate the success that they had some years back when Sagun was the captain?
Yeah, absolutely. We are thinking positive, even though Delhi is playing with their full side. Whatever the plans we had discussed, I wanted to implement that in the match simulations, and all the boys were positive. I mean, they were giving their feedback, so what we can do better.
Okay. In taking on Delhi in the first match, you have players like Ishant Sharma and the likes who will be participating from Delhi. You have any idea who is going to be their squad like?
So Ishant Sharma most probably won't be playing because he's playing right now in the test squad. So most probably Shikhar Dhawan is leading the side.
Okay.
Unmukh Chand might play. Don't know, but then under-19 players Manan Vora is there in the side.
Okay.
Because right now I don't have their full team with me, but and most probably they are coming with the full side this time.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.